missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone.
Welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to be showing you guys aesthetic and affordable DIYs. So yes, we wanted to make this video for so long, so now we decided to make this video, and hope you guys will like the video. And let's get started with the video without any further ado.
So for the first DIY, you're going to be needing a Nutella jar and some white glue, or you can use Mod Podge, whatever you have, and these kind of pressed flowers. So you can see now you have to apply the Mod Podge or the glue inside the jar. So you can see like the glue will turn clear afterwards. So you can just attach the flower that you like inside, and to secure it a little bit more, you have to like apply another layer. So now to make sure that everything is secure, I am applying another layer of glue and also putting some glitter on, so you can see like it is super sparkly. And yes.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say.
This next DIY, you are going to be needing some air dry clay. We are using this one, and you can use like polymer clay too. So what you are going to do is to make a horn out of this clay, and yes. After you are satisfied with how it looks, you are just going to wait until it dries, or if you are using a polymer clay, then you have to bake it. Now after the horns are dried, you are just going to take whatever color paint you like and start painting it on. So now to make it a little more fun, we are using a metallic gold marker to make the tip really golden and metallic. So yes, you can use paints or whatever thing you like. And now you are finally done with the DIY. So first of all, we are taking this glass bottle, and then you have to just like decide whatever color you like, and you are going to add some strokes of the colors, and yes. when you're satisfied with how it looks, you are just going to take a black marker and draw a plant leaf kind of thing. So yes. After that, you have to secure your artwork, and for this we are using a glue. You can use a Mod Podge too, it works like same. So now to add a little more accent, we are taking a metallic marker and drawing some dots over the bottle. It looks way more cuter, modern, and for this DIY, you are also going to be needing some polymer clay, and what are you going to be doing is to flatten the clay out. And as you guys can see, it is not too thick and not too thin. So what are you going to be doing is to draw a butterfly. So you can go with a freehand or you can make a stencil. I am drawing like freehandedly, so you can see how the butterfly turned out. It was not too cute, but still it was good. So now I am taking this huge cup. You can take a bowl too to give the butterfly a tray kind of look. So yeah. So once your tray is dry, you can use whatever type of color you want. We are using acrylic colors to paint it up. Now to add some accent, we are using the golden marker and making some golden borders. So now we are adding these kind of random dots to make it look more cuter. You have to make the butterfly antennas, so we are using these kind of wires and it looks super cute.
video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, so make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel down below. Turn the notification bells on so you will be notified every time we post a new video. And our previous videos are linked in the description box down below or in the icon right here, so make sure to watch them, and we'll see you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out. So we really wanted to apologize for our inconsistent upload system. So yes, we are like really inconsistent in uploading videos. That is because like it is really difficult to like film and post DIY videos, because like DIYs are really time consuming and everything like that. So we are really struggling to post on Monday and on Friday. So we decided not to post twice a week, so we are going to be posting only on Mondays. So yes, Mondays will be our day. So yes, stay tuned for our videos, and hope you guys will understand it. And yes, we'll see you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out.
So